Is your Ford Kuga's alarm going off randomly? Let's diagnose the most common culprits, the hood liftgate switches and the interior sensor. First, for hood liftgate issues, these switches can misalign or corrode. Visually inspect them for damage and clean any dirt. For the interior sensor, try resetting it via your car's ECU. Consult your owner's manual for specific instructions. Moisture can also cause issues, so check for leaks around window seals. Remember, always disconnect the battery before doing electrical work. A weak or faulty battery is another common reason for Kuga alarm problems, especially in newer models with lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion batteries in newer models can lead to voltage fluctuations that trigger false alarms. Check your battery's voltage using a multimeter. It should be above 12.6 volts. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion and clean them if needed. If you've recently swapped batteries, ensure compatibility to avoid voltage spikes. As a last resort, try resetting the alarm system by disconnecting the battery for about 15 minutes and then reconnecting it. If the problem continues, consult a professional mechanic to diagnose more complex electrical issues.